Hi, in this one we'll discuss the properties of objects in Infinity. So how do we get to the properties? Two ways. One, quite simply, if you select an object, either graphically or otherwise, you right click and check the properties. And from the properties you can browse your way through what's available depending on what object you're trying to edit or just interrogate. Everything which is not grayed out you can edit. So for example, I could edit the position of this point, I could edit the layer where it sits, and I could edit the information which is assigned to it. So different objects will provide you different properties. So if I interrogate now a surface module, a surface object, and if I select it, the properties will then get updated with the selected object, and this will give me for this surface the relevant information to set surface, which would also appear on the surface report if I were to choose to generate one at this point. A point cloud, so these are point clouds which has been generated from a UAV. To see what type of information we have here, and again we have a description and an ID which can be edited. And we have also the resolution and the threshold filtering from which the point cloud has been computed to. Okay, hopefully this will be useful, and I hope you have a great day.